Why those two should not go together, especially if you're gonna mount it, let's say, on the side of your helmet, on the front of your helmet. Well, speaking from experience, where I never ever put this camera on the side or on the front, only besides the quick shots that I have to do for YouTube, let's say for 10-20 seconds, because primarily when they build the helmet, they build it from the perspective of safety. And let's say something goes wrong and this helmet touches the ground, the last thing you want is a sharp edge of the, you know, rounded motorcycle helmet catching on one side and twisting. You know what I mean? Think about safety. Stay away from mounts like that. On our YouTube channel, we already have a new video dedicated for the dash cam. How can you set up a dash cam on your motorcycle, front and rear? It's going to record the GPS location, your GPS speed, things of that nature, and it's going to have a 4K camera up front, 1080 on the back. It's much safer and it's a long-term solution. It's going to take you more time to do it, but you know, thinking long-term, this is going to be the solution. And talking about safety, that's the way to go. If you like videos like that, make sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, comment down below, let me know what you would be interested in, and I'll do another video. We have a couple of more coming up, but I need your support. I need you to tell me if those videos is going to be helpful, and I'll see you there.